आपको समझ में आ गया ये प्रोग्राम क्यों है? सारे देश को एक रखने के लिए। ये माय होम इंडिया हम लोगों ने 20 साल पहले शुरू किया, 2004 में। उस समय आप याद करो पूर्वोत्तर के लोगों को पूरे देश भर में किस प्रकार का व्यवहार मिलता था। When this organization was founded in 2004, the situation of northeastern youth, those who were compelled to leave northeast because of the bad situation, the disturbances, colleges were closed, roads were blocked, huge drug trafficking was going on, there was no job opportunity, there was no infrastructure, no roads, no airports, no railways. During that period, when northeastern youth were compelled to leave northeast, go to Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chandigarh and number of cities for education purpose, for comfortable life, for jobs. But because of their different facial features, they were misunderstood as foreigners because of lack of awareness, which was duty of then governments, which they did not do. And that is why My Home India took this task, that we will create awareness about Northeast. We will make Northeastern people to feel at home wherever they are in this country. And I am glad to tell you today that in last 20 years, we have provided help when they were in trouble, when they were in deep trouble. More than 1.5 lakh Northeastern youth across the country in last 20 years. Today's situation is different. Honorable Kiren Rijiju ji will definitely tell about how Northeast is changed in last 10 years. But when Northeast was not changed, at that time My Home India was formed. And My Home India feels that its existence across the country is necessary all time, because situations of northeastern states, they keep on changing. And that is why it is necessary that when northeastern people go to other parts of country, there should be no differences between them when they are in Mumbai, Bangalore. There can be some differences in northeast, but when they come out of northeast for education or job purpose, at that time they should stay together peacefully, calmly, and they should focus on their studies. And specifically this Nest Fest, Northeast Students Festival, every year we organize this. And the purpose is to welcome new students, freshers, and assure them that don't worry, if you are in trouble, if there is any problem, My Home India is there with you. And that is why today, with this assurance that My Home India's help 24/7 is available with you, and you can avail its helpline number 93211 27701. Because this clip will be tweeted, will be X by My Home India's handle. I appeal all of you to follow My Home India's handle, My Home India's Insta, My Home India's Facebook page, so that all activities of My Home India comes into domain when we provide some helpline, it immediately comes on social media, and you will come to know. And you will get one idea that what type of work we are doing, so that you can contribute or you can utilize this helpline. So with these words, last time again, I will appeal all of you to say Bharat Mata Ki Jai before I end my words. बोला भारत माता की, खुबलई शिबुन, ये मेघालय की भाषा में बताया मैंने, खुरुम जारी, ये मैतेई भाषा में बताया, और खुलुम खा, ये हमारे कॉकबोरोक भाषा में बताया, चिबाए कपू चिबाए, ये मैंने मिजोरम की भाषा में बताया। बाकी भी भाषा में बता सकता हूं, लेकिन इसके अलावा भी बहुत काम करने हैं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।